Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. I'm looking a bit scruffy and I'll tell you something. Excuse me for all of August because my makeup goes on, it melts right off. I put it on 3 times today, 3 times, you can see there's none left. Anyway, I have a great property for you. This one is in San Nicola. Again, you know we're looking a lot at San Nicola. Beautiful place. Check this one out. It might be the perfect solution for you guys. Also, stay tuned. I'm doing a video on how to run your B&B or your vacation home as a B&B in Italy. Check it out.